Hey, what's going on everyone? I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV showing you the noise reduction kit from Can-Am. All right everyone, thank you for checking in. So for Can-Am Maverick X3 owners out there, you have an incredible machine. We love them, we've had lots here at Rocky Mountain. However, one common complaint that you might hear about those is that they're kind of noisy. There's a lot of noise coming from the engine, from the drive components, and yeah, it can be kind of distracting when you're out there trying to have a good time. So a simple, easy way to help reduce some of that noise is with this noise reduction kit from Can-Am. And it's simple. You've got two pieces. These are both direct bolt-on replacements for your machine, and they're going to replace the drive and driven pulley inlet ducts. So once you have these installed, it helps reduce the noise, especially they say at those higher RPMs, so about 4,700 to 5,200 is the RPM range that Can-Am will give you. And it might sound simple looking at these thinking, well, how the heck does that reduce the noise? Well, the big difference is that on the inside of these, there is some extra material that will help dampen the noise. And that's really all it is. It's just a noise damping material that you have on the inside. So again, it helps reduce that noise, especially at those higher RPMs. Now, I was talking to Can-Am on the phone. I was trying to get a number as far as decibels of how much it does reduce the noise. They didn't provide me with that, but they did say it does make a noticeable difference. And if you read rider reviews, you'll read the same thing where most people tell you that once they put these on there, they did notice a difference in the amount of noise coming from that area of the machine. So again, if you have a Can-Am Maverick X3 and you're looking to reduce the noise as much as you can, great, simple way to do it. If you do have questions or comments, we want to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. To grab yours, it's simple. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Like I said, Can-Am Maverick X3 specific, so simple. Enter the year, make, and model of your side-by-side when you're picking yours up. You'll be good to go. Orders over $75, you're free. If you like this video and you want to see other great product spotlights on Can-Am products, make sure to subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll be up to date. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.